Hey, welcome back to another rip. On this episode, we are breaking 1990 Collect-A-Card Kingpins PBA Bowling. We are looking for rookie cards of Pete Weber. That's right. Who do you think you are? I am. Pete Weber rookies are in this product, but not only Pete Weber. We're talking his dad, Dick Weber. Probably not his rookie card. Maybe some might think it is. I don't know. We're also talking rookie cards of Walter Ray Williams Jr., what most consider the greatest bowler of all time. We're talking Norm Duke. We're talking all kinds of great PBA bowlers. All right, let's get part one of this four-part series started. Here we go. We are busting 9 packs of 1990 Kingpins Bowling, looking for the Pete Weber rookie card and the Walter Ray Williams Jr. rookie card. Here we go. This is what the pack looks like. Pretty cool. 10 cards per pack, 36 packs per box for a total of 360 cards. I believe there are 100 cards in the set. So here we go. Let's start ripping, baby. Here we go. Pack number 1. We have a Mark Williams. Show you the back of the cards real quick. That's what the back looks like. A little bit of stats. Pretty cool. All right. Moving right along. Larry Lobb. There we go. First pack. Walter Ray Williams Jr. rookie card. Here we go. In a PSA 10, that's around an $80 card. And there are only 27 PSA 10s. So we are hoping for the best on that. Very nice. Don Mosier. Gary Skidmore. Great last name right there. Ron Williams. Ski Forminsky. All right, sure. Don Johnson. Not of Miami Vice. Guppy Troop. And the last card in part 1, pack 1, Ron Palumbi Jr. There we go. We hit the Walter Ray Williams in the first pack. Yes! We hit the Walter Ray Williams rookie card in our first pack. Let's continue the rip. The good thing about these packs is there's no gum and there's no wax. So potentially no issues with the grading. Here we go. Wayne Webb. Great looking card. Brad Snell. Joe Savimini. So yeah, we are not worried about condition really so much. We're worried about centering, obviously. Mark McDowell. Dale Eagle. Curtis Odom. Look at that. That's great. Norm Duke. There we go. That's one of the best players in the set right there. Boom. And a Gary Dickinson. Good way to end off pack number 2. All right, continuing on. Pack number 3. We are looking for the Pete Weber rookie card. Art Trask. Are you a bowler? What's your high score in bowling? Mine is only like 220. Mike McGrath. Bill Lillard. Don Carter. Pretty cool. Showing off some trophies. Dave Arnold. Jim Pennock, Mike Albee. There's another one of the best cards in this set. Very cool. Mike Albee's a great Hall of Fame bowler. Glenn Allinson, Harry Sullins, and Butch Soper. There we go. Moving right along. Are you a fan of bowling? Do you watch it on TV? Who is your favorite bowler? All right, continuing on. Dennis Horan Jr., Steve Wunderlich, John DeBronick, Tommy Hudson, Jess Staybrook, Jimmy Certain, Steve Cook, Marshall Holman, another great player, another great card in this set. Wow, look at that. Pretty cool. Yeah, here we go. All right, we are looking for the Pete Weber rookie card. We've already hit the Walter Ray Williams. We are looking for more of those, of course. Wayne Webb, Brad Snell, Bob Handley, Mark McDowell, Dale Eagle, Curtis Odom again, another Norm Duke. There we go. All right. We got a few more packs here in part 1 of this 4-part series. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your favorite card that we pull from this part. Bill Beach, Brian Goebel, Mark Roth. There we go. Another great player, Hall of Famer. Bill Allen, Michael Edwards having a panic attack, Philip Ringer, Jim Goodman signing one of thousands of autographs, Carmen Salvino, Pete Couture, and Tom Baker. All right. We are getting close to the end of part 1. Looks like we have 3 packs left, so let's get lucky. All right. Tom Westlake, Wayne Zahn, Jim Stefanich, Paul Cowell, Mark Baker, George Papaz. There we go. Dick Weber. Absolute legend. Yes. David Ferraro, Tom Kreitz, and Warren Nelson scoring a touchdown. All right. 2 more packs to go in part 1 of this 4-part series. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. All right. Mats Carlson, Don Janello, Bob Benoit, Ray Bluth. There we go. That's a great looking card. Mats Carlson again. Don Janello again. Bob Benoit again. Hugh Miller. Barry Asher. And Helmento Monticelli. All right, we are down to our last pack in part 1 of this 4-part series. All right, here we go. Ron Bell, Randy Peterson, Johnny Petralia, Billy Hardwick, Parker Bohon III. There we go. That is one we are looking for as well. Very nice. Jimmy Pritz Jr., Chris Warren, and Tita Samiz. All right. That is part 1. Come back and watch part 2, 3, and 4